Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be giving you guys an updated room and vanity tour. I've been like in a decluttering era of mine, so I've been decluttering so much, so hopefully you guys can see the difference between my last room and vanity tour versus this one. I feel like I'm just very over consumer, so I've been trying to get rid of everything that I don't necessarily need and stop trying to buy things that I don't necessarily need. So although I do still have a lot of things that I don't necessarily need, I try to get rid of a lot of things that I don't use anymore, that are not practical for me anymore, and that I probably won't use anymore, whatever the case may be. But I tried downsizing my room a lot, and I hope you guys can tell the difference. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Also, I want to mention that in my Amazon storefront, I do have a lot of decor and organization. So if you guys want to check that out, you guys definitely should. So without further ado, let's get on to today's video. Starting off, this is the front door. This is my door right here. And on here, I just have a lot of purses. These are the purses that I use on like the daily, I guess. They're a little bit of a mess right now. I didn't really bother to clean my room that much because I honestly am lazy. Also, tell me why Kurt Geiger bags are so low quality, because I haven't had this bag for that long and the paint is already coming off of there. I still love them. But yeah, these are the purses that I use, and then these are my keys right here. And then you move over here and I just have my little camera battery charger. And this is where I feel like I did a lot of decluttering. If you guys watch my other videos, you guys will see what I'm talking about. I have way less stuff than I used to up here. Up here I just have some Lego flowers, some pictures of me and my friend, Polaroid pictures, these little clay things. I have like some random stuff up there, to be honest. And then in this first shelf I have body sprays and like lotions and stuff. And then this is my little perfume shelf. I have all my perfumes right here, body mist and deodorant. These are my Sol de Janeiro body mist and then a deodorant. I got this little thing from Marshalls. It's just very miscellaneous little things. And then this is my registration that I need to put on my car. And then EOS. And then down here I have books. So here are some like kind of important documents in that folder. And then here are some books that I am currently reading or have read. Okay, so and then I just have a stack of candles right there. Then all over here I have an air purifier because my mom put one in every room. It's actually not plugged in right now because I had my stuff charging, because I have my chargers right there. And then for my bed I actually got from IKEA. I get a lot of questions on my bed all the time, and it's from IKEA. It's the IKEA Daybed. I'm honestly not sure what it's called, but they don't have many day beds at IKEA, so you should be able to find it quickly. My bed sheets and my pillows and everything are from Target. My blankets are also from Target as well. I just have my MacBook and my laptop laying right there. Little stuffed animal, super cute. And yeah, this is my current bed. Now we're gonna be going in like a little 360. So we started here and now we're just moving on. Oh, I have my TV right there. But we're moving on to over here. Well, here I have my little Hello Kitty stool. It honestly serves no purpose unless one of my friends come over, and then I use that as an extra chair so they can get ready on my vanity, or just a place to sit down. But I just have my gym bag here. This is the Gymshark mini gym bag, and I use this every single day when I go to the gym, so I just have it there to grab and go. And then this is actually new as well. I got, well, it's not new, but this is a little rearrangement that I have. So here I have all my stuffed animals in this little container. I have like a lot of little Hello Kitties. Most of these Hello Kitties are like not collectors, but like they hold memory. Like these are from different times I went to Hawaii. These are from little like surprise little things from a boba place. I have my Build-A-Bear I got for graduation. I have this one when I went to the Hello Kitty cafe. My holy water, we have that there for necessary purposes, just in case we need it. And then I have this little Marie that I got from Disneyland. And then this is actually a heating pad, a little llama. And then I have a feather duster back there because dust. And then in these little drawers, I have random things. In here I have a lot of headbands, like makeup headbands and stuff. In here I have my school stuff. So I have like a lot of pencils and notebooks and stuff, because I am doing school, I'm doing college online right now. And then down here I have belts and accessories. And then over here I have more purses in this little canasta right here that just has random purses. And then I have my backpack that I use for school. I'm doing online right now, but that is the backpack that I would use for school, like all my school stuff. Don't mind my lip liners on my hand. I just finished filming TikToks, but here we have a little corner that is very cute. So these are the IKEA Alex 9 drawers. So here I have a little Polaroid picture of myself, because why not? And then I have this candle. It says Daydream. It's cactus and rose, and I got it from Target. Here's my jewelry box. So I have all my jewelry in here. Then in the first drawer, I'm warning you guys right now, these drawers are probably not the most organized, but they do the job. So up here is low-key a little miscellaneous. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I have like extra lashes up here. I have a lot of like medication and like vitamins and supplements, and then also some random things over here like pimple patches, lighter for my candle, box cutter for my packages, very random honestly. And then here I have my glasses. These are all my sunglasses. I don't know. These are all my sunglasses as well as my seeing glasses and just other random miscellaneous things. And then here I have more of extra makeup. I have this that I got from the Bad Bunny concert. These are just coasters, so if I have like a drink, I'll put it on there so it doesn't seep onto my vanity. I have hair gel, hair scissors, and nail filers. I have my ashwagandha, melatonin. These are like relaxing things. And then I have my hair growth oil that I actually been using and works really well. Here I have some skincare stuff, and then it's not focusing. I have some skincare stuff and then some allergy stuff because I do suffer with very bad allergies, and so there is just some nasal spray, eye drops, and then like a itch stick or whatever. In here is a lot of extra makeup. I have a lot of extra randoms and just things that I don't really use on the daily. Powders, palettes, little things. And then in this drawer is my hair drawer, is all my hair stuff. I have my dry shampoo, hairspray, texture spray, my little treatments, hair oil, just a whole bunch of things that I use after I wash my hair. This drawer right here is my hair drawer as well. I have my hair rollers. I have a hair massager that I use to massage my scalp when I oil it. Clips, different clips, different clips, different clips. These I use for my pin curls. These I use to part my hair. Hair ties are in here, and then right here I have my hair brushes. So I have this hair brush, I have my like slick back hair brush and things, and my edge brush, and then bobby pins, and then these are little mini black hair ties. And then in this drawer down here I just have Hot Tools, my Aquaphor that I use as moisturizer, and like electronics. I guess it's kind of random but it works. Here I have all my hair clips and headbands. Believe it or not, it is pretty organized. Like I have my headbands down there. It's just very full, so it's hard to keep it organized, but I have bows and different claw clips, and it's literally pretty much filled to the brim. There are organizers down here, they're just too stuffed. This last drawer here is just makeup palettes and some like lash extensions kits. So yeah, this is all like my extra stuff. So starting right here on the side of my vanity, I have my makeup brushes. So it's getting a little dark over here, but I have my makeup brushes. I have some things that Merit Beauty sent me that I want to try out, so I'm just keeping them right there. Here are my lip stuff. So all my lip liners are right here. I have some like lipsticks, or I have more, and then just lip treatments and other stuff. And this is from Lumina Pro. I love this organizer. I've had it for so long. Up here I just have these two little makeup headbands. This is my favorite one, honestly. It looks kind of weird, but I love it. I have my little Hello Kitty mirror. It does light up. It's not charged right now, but it does light up, and it is the Impressions Vanity little Hello Kitty mirror. I use that to do my makeup up close. And then for this first drawer here is my base drawer. So I have concealers, powders, pressed powders, loose powders, primers, more powders. I have my brow stuff and liner stuff, and then concealers and foundations. Then in the middle drawer was probably my favorite drawer. I have this little makeup headband. I have blushes, bronzers, highlighters. I have highlighters, blushes, bronzers, more blushes, more blushes, more highlighters, liquid blushes, moisturizer, cream stuff, more blushes. These actually go right here. So yeah, those go right there. But I have my Patrick Ta bronzer, NARS, more Patrick Ta, Makeup by Mario, contour stick, Rare Beauty liquid blush. I have these little minis. I have a mini powder puff and mini beauty blender little things. And then my powder puffs. So that's this drawer right here. And then over here I have my water bottle. I always have water with me. These flowers that are a little bit dying, but they were very beautiful once upon a time. My hot tools, this is what I use to straighten and curl my hair, if you guys are wondering. It's the Babyliss Pro straightener and then the Babyliss Pro curling iron. And then in this drawer is kind of just like things that I need. Setting spray. I have my lash fan and my setting spray fan. This is my little selfie light that I use when I record TikToks. This is the charger for said selfie light. This is my little thing that I use to put up my phone. These are just little eyebrow razors, scissors, tweezers, lash spoolies, Q-tips. This does not belong there. Sharpeners for my lip liners, more powder puffs, and then my beauty blender. So overview of my vanity, and then this chair as well that's my vanity chair. You can find similar ones on my Amazon storefront. This one I can't find it anymore. I don't think it's sold anymore, but you can find similar ones on Amazon. And then for underneath my vanity, let's just expose underneath for a sec. I have blow dryer little containers right there, and there I just have like this little container. I have some miscellaneous things, but those are 2 makeup bags that I use when I do my makeup somewhere else or travel. And then that little canasta has just a mirror that I use when my friends come over and they want to get ready. And then my laptop case, and then my slippers are right there. And then over here I just have my little mirror that I take all my pictures in. My outfit right now is really not giving. It's so cold. You know how like some people have like blush blindness, eyelash extension blindness. My family has AC blindness. Like it is -2 degrees in here and they have the AC blasting. So I have a dream catcher right there, and then that one says she believed she could, so she did. I have Marilyn Monroe. I always get questions. I got that from Pier 39 in San Francisco. My plaque, these I got from Hobby Lobby, I think. There's that little book, and then that, and then if you look over here, we have my little LED sign I got from Amazon. It'll be in my Amazon storefront. And then this wall is actually pink, and then the rest of my walls are white. And then that I also got from, I think I want to say TJ Maxx. So yeah, that's that. And then my closet is right here. This is where I keep most of my clothes. A lot of my like clothes are also in here. I don't know if you guys could see, but there's actually drawers at the bottom of this bed, which I love. So I keep a lot of my pants, like my bottoms, over here. So over in this drawer, which you can't see, but it's my jeans. These are my sweatpants and like sweat shorts and like lounge wear. And then in there is like some miscellaneous clothes that I don't really wear all the time, but I want to keep. Starting with this side. So up here I have all my shoes and chanclas. I finally made space for all my shoes to fit up here. I got rid of all my Jordans and made space for all the shoes that I actually do wear. That is my top of my thing. And then over here I have a lot of my shirts. I try to color organize, but it's kind of hard because I kind of want to organize by what they are. For example, like this shirt I have in 3 colors, so I kind of put them together so that I know where they're at, you know, and just like little things like that. So they're not really color organized, but I know exactly where everything is in here. Like if you tell me to find my gray tube top, I'm gonna know it's right there. Like if you tell me to find my pink top with a bow, I know it's right here. Like I know where everything's at. So it's in a specific order. It just is not that aesthetic. And then there I have this little thing which has my socks. I have a lot of socks. A lot of them are fuzzy socks or gym socks. I have a whole bunch of gym socks. have extra hangers. These are usually because like I'm doing laundry, so once I get my laundry I'll be able to hang all the rest of my stuff up. This Lululemon bag actually has all my bathing suits, so yeah. And then here I have more like going out shirts, I guess, or like dressy shirts, and then I have some basics. These are my basics, and then there I just have my underwears and my bras in this little container right here. So yeah, that is the main part of my closet. Now going on to this side of my closet. Over here I have my gym clothes, and then an iron, and then I have my chanclas, and then here I have my heels in this little canasta. But I also have my little Shein package right here that I have to make a video on, so that's just chilling right there for now until I make the video and I could put them away. And then here on this side I have a lot of jackets. Like I have jackets, hoodies, puffers, flannels, things like that, because I usually like to move all this stuff to over here so that I kind of know how everything is organized. Yeah, that is pretty much my whole closet, and that is the overview of my room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I tried moving as quickly as possible, trying not to bore you guys with like explaining everything, because I know like in my past videos I would explain everything. So I kind of wanted to keep this video a little shorter and a little more entertaining. Hopefully it'll grab your attention for longer. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my little room tour. And like I said, if you guys are interested in any of my organization things or decor, a lot of it's linked in my Amazon storefront, or you guys can comment down below and I'll let you know where I got it. I'm not a gatekeeper. But yeah, so that is my room. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below any other videos you guys want to see from me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.